A wood scientist, also known as a wood technologist or wood engineer, is a scientific professional specializing in the study of wood and wood-based materials. They investigate the physical, chemical, and biological properties of wood to develop new products, improve existing ones, and ensure the sustainable use of forest resources. Wood scientists work in various industries, including forestry, construction, manufacturing, and research. Career values, traits, and skills. To thrive as a wood scientist, individuals should possess the following values, traits, and skills. Scientific curiosity, a strong interest in wood science and a desire to explore its properties and potential applications. Analytical skills, the ability to analyze data, interpret results, and draw meaningful conclusions from experiments. Problem-solving skills, identifying and addressing challenges related to wood processing, product development, and sustainability. Technical expertise, knowledge of wood anatomy, chemistry, physics, and engineering principles. Communication skills, effectively communicating research findings, technical information, and recommendations to diverse audiences. Environmental awareness, understanding the importance of sustainable forestry practices and responsible wood utilization. Attention to detail, meticulously conducting experiments and analyzing data to ensure accuracy and reliability. Career path, a bachelor's degree in wood science, forestry, or a related field is typically the minimum requirement for entry-level positions. Many wood scientists pursue advanced degrees, master's or doctorate, to specialize in specific areas of research or to qualify for higher-level positions. Practical experience gained through internships or laboratory work can be beneficial. Salary range. The salary for wood scientists can vary based on experience, education, industry, and location. The average annual salary in the United States is around $75,840 for wood scientists working in wood product manufacturing. However, salaries can range from $44,542 to $53,131 for wood technologists. Tips for success. Pursue higher education. Consider obtaining a master's or doctorate to specialize and enhance your career prospects. Gain practical experience. Seek out internships or research opportunities to apply your knowledge and develop practical skills. Stay current. The field of wood science is continuously evolving. Stay updated with the latest research, technologies, and industry trends. Network. Attend conferences, workshops, and industry events to connect with other professionals and expand your knowledge base. Publish research. Share your findings through publications and presentations to contribute to the field and gain recognition. References. Society of Wood Science and Technology, SWST. Forest Products Society, FPS. Vault Wood Science and Technology Workers. Salary.com. Wood Technologist Salary.